Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of using proofing in Smartsheet, the feature that makes getting approvals and feedback on your files a total breeze. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upload a file for review, invite your team to add their comments, and get quick, organized approvals right inside your workflow. If you've ever found yourself chasing down email threads or looking for feedback scattered across different platforms, trust me, Smartsheet proofing is about to be your new best friend. Let's dive right in and go step by step through the proofing process. First things first, let's talk about how you access the proofing feature. When you're working in Smartsheet, you might notice two places to start the proofing process. One is on the right side of your screen, where you'll see a dedicated proofing icon, and the other is right within the rows of your main sheet. Now, for today's demo, I'm going to focus on using the row-level proofing icon. The reason for that is simple. Most of the time, your files and documents are related to specific tasks or projects which live in those rows. So keeping everything tied together in one spot just makes everything clearer and faster for everyone involved. So once you've located the row that matches the project or document you want your team to review, go ahead and click on that little proofing icon right inside the row. It might look like a small speech bubble or a document symbol, you can't miss it. Now, don't worry if it takes a second to pop up, especially if your internet's having a slow moment. Smartsheet is just getting things ready in the background. After you click that proofing icon, you'll see an option to upload or attach your file. This is the crucial step. This is how you bring your work front and center for your teammates. Maybe it's that proposal you spent all week polishing, or a creative design that needs sign-off from the marketing team. Whatever the file, just drag and drop it into the space provided, or use the upload button to select it from your device. If you accidentally attach the wrong file, no sweat, you can easily remove it and try again. Now here, where proofing in Smartsheet really shines, as soon as your file is uploaded, your team members can jump in and start commenting directly on the document. No more emailing back and forth and worrying about who's seen what. Feedback stays attached right to the file, and everyone has one clear thread to follow. Teammates can highlight sections, suggest corrections, even ask questions right there in context. It's like turning your document into a living workspace that everyone can see and interact with in real time. Once your team has added their notes, the big moment comes: approvals. Each member can let you know when they think the document's good to go by clicking Approve. This gives you a clear, trackable record of who signed off and who still needs to review. If someone's out of the office or misses the notification, you don't have to guess. Everything you need to keep things moving is right there in the sheet. And that's it. Proofing in Smartsheet is a straightforward but incredibly powerful way to speed up approvals, get targeted feedback, and keep your workflow organized all in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or tips about using Smartsheet, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you want more smart workflow tips, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.